So if you subscribe our go on. In this one we have Mr. G British a Burnout Valiant recent single Mad Out. Yeah man. Plus we also have the Jamaican Reggae Girls. Them gone to the knockout stage. Yeah, we have to talk about that. You see me? So remember, subscribe before occasional energy. I'm gonna jump right into the video.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any and a rock ya.
So if you subscribe, we'll kick off the video with Mr. G British. As I say, I'm a Burnout Valiant, brawling. You see me? You don't know the song already. Mad Out Valiant released recently and it gone viral. But enough people don't agree with it. Enough people say, yo, Valiant, like, how to say it? You might make fun of mad people, like the mad people in on the road. You might make fun of them and a bag of things. So Mr. G British, as I say, Burnout Valiant, and I go play the video and make you see what me I talk about. Does it me? So remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy and pray you all go on.
When me are talking me mean the people them will pretend say they mad. We are drive them axio and them type of thing there. You see me? Me not talk the mad people them were in the street who want help, you know, with Valiant and gimmicks, you know. Me not talk the people them where when they kill them go to hospital them proven say they mad. Cause them type of people they need help in a real life. So Valiant, if you want help some madman, you help some madman. So no can't tell nobody about I'm mad here, I'm mad out, and you know deep down inside say you're not mad out. A Britney are true a word pan. Cause you go over Britney life and a flirt with Britney. And you know say the whole world say Britney mad. You overstand when me I say me people them?
Britannia attack?
Yeah.
Oh. I written make song of it.
You understand what me I say?
Oh.
And then after that you run gone with Chensia.
Really?
Cause you want publicity stunt. Cause you do every little thing. Cause remember we do research for you, you know. I remember we not do it for the hype and we not do it for the glory. We are talk facts. You understand what me I say? My people, cause when you look at the logics, you know, how much madman there at Jamaica we want help.
Valiant not help them.
And he not help no madman.
Mock them.
And mock him a madman. So that I in a fully reverse.
Oh. So you talk about the people them know when nothing to do them and them do some crazy things after that.
Yeah.
Oh.
And that me a talk.
Okay.
Without no apology. So who want to get it twisted, because they have narrow mind, with no apology on me out.
So, we subscribers and can hear Mr. G British talk a lot of things from Valiant. But to be honest, me actually agree with Mr. G British. Me actually agree with what he said. You see me? Enough mad people out there and it seems like the Valiant that make fun of them. But me not think Valiant did actually make fun of them. Because at the end of the day, if you not really mates mad not necessarily mean like say it out a garbage bin, you know. You see me? Mad have a different type of meaning, have different types of meaning to it. You see me? Even though the video was like Valiant up on the street and him a madman, yeah. But at the end of the day, I don't think Valiant did actually a mock mad people, psycho people, you see me? But at the end of the day, I understand what Mr. G British say, and respect what I say. Because enough mad people out there and them need help, them homeless, them hungry. And instead of do something like this, I could at least give a strength to them, you see me? And as I say, I don't think Valiant actually mock them. But the word mad can also use in different terms and have different meanings to it. Like you can say a mad out, mean like you're psycho, your head chip, you see me? Or you know, we out here would use the word mad like madman where it out a garbage bin, you can mean it like that, you see me? So as I say, I don't think Valiant actually mock mad people, even though the video was like constructed like Valiant up on the roadside in a tear clothes and then something there, you could have said Valiant actually mock them, you see me? But as I say, I don't think that was his intention. But in that day, I respect what Mr. G British say. You see me? As I say, enough mad people out there, homeless. And they really need help. They really need strength. You see me? And he would have really look good if you see some of the artists them reach out and at least give a strength or two, you see me? Because enough people out there really need the help. Cause enough of the artists them, them reach out till them don't know what to do with their money, And people out there where you can look back on, cause them not have it like that. So you can look back on them now and then and say, alright, see a thing here can help you out for all a week, even if it's for a week or a day, bro. Me know enough people that appreciate that. You see me? But end of the day, I say, respect what Mr. G British has say. And to be honest, I don't think Valiant actually did a mock mad people. But we a subscriber, everybody have their different opinions, you see me? So let me know what you think about that in the comment section. Yeah man. So I touch upon a different topic now, you see me? Yeah man. Alright, so let me start out by saying I'm not a big fan of women's football, but viewer subscriber, I have to say congratulations to the Jamaican women's football team. You see me? Me hear so they made it to the knockout stage, the round of 16, and they basically create history in Jamaica. You see me? I'm really happy for them, and I hope so them can win it because Jamaica is like them struggle a lot on football more than track and field. Track and field, Jamaica have it like that. Track and field is like Jamaica is a track and field country. You see me? But if you see these girls like rise up and reach where them they right now in the knockout stage, that's very impressive. And as I say, I hope so them win the whole tournament, bro. You see me? Really hope so them win the whole tournament and bring it home to Jamaica. Jamaica really deserve this one, I swear. So big up to them coach and all the supporters them, you see me? Yeah man, a very big achievement this for them. And as I say, I really want them bring it home. You see me? So view subscribe and you can make me think about that. As I say, I'm not really one big fan of the women's football, so I don't really know much about it. But I'm really proud of them. So let me know what you think about that, viewer subscriber. Yeah man, remember subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to the channel. Catch you now in our next one.